Hello guys, I'm Mr. Pauline here. Now today I'm gonna be giving you a different approach because I see a lot of people do get stuck up on this car diagram. So this is a very simple wire diagram, yet it's proving very challenging to a lot of people. So instead of tackling one car diagram today, I'm gonna be tackling two, just to show you the difference between the two. And I promise you, after watching this video until the end, you'll be able to understand and properly solve these car diagrams, right? So we got this one, and then we also have this one. Okay, so they look kind of similar, but they are different, and you're gonna understand why I've chosen these two in a moment. So before we start, please do make sure that you give this video a like and also consider subscribing to our channel for more updates like this. Okay, so the first one says which car goes first. So looking for the car that goes first, right? We got two cars here. We got car A and car B. Looks simple enough, right? Okay. So there is an issue that most people think that A is in a main road. As you can see, A is going straight. So what most people would normally say is that A goes first, then B goes second. Okay. Now I have no problem with that understanding, but I want it to be properly applied. Okay, so most people think that A is the right way because A is in the main road, whilst B is approaching from the side road. So B should go second and A should go first. Okay, so I want you to hold that thought. Okay, and let's move on to the next car diagram here. So this one is also asking us for the car that goes first. We got two cars, A and B. Okay, so if I'm to ask which car goes first, you would say A because A is going straight and B wants to turn into the main road. Alright, okay, so what you need to understand here is the concept of what the main road and the side road is. How do you know that this one is a main road? Well, I submit to you that you cannot just tell that this is a main road and this is a side road simply by looking at it. There must be proper proof accompanied to that conclusion. Okay, so there must be proper proof that clearly shows that this is a main road and this is a side road. Okay, and one of the proof that we should see is either a stop sign or a giveaway sign or even a stop line. So if you see in this car diagram, you can see that we have a stop line here. So B is coming to a stop line. So what that automatically tells us that B is from a side road and is coming to a main road. So cars in the main road should not have to stop and give the right of way to traffic that is approaching from the side road. Okay, so with that understanding, we can understand that A is the right of way in this car diagram, then B goes second. Okay, so the car that goes first in this one is to be A because B is coming to a stop line. Okay, so we have come to the conclusion that car B is in a side road because it is coming to a stop line. Well, that's very important, right? So I want you to mark that. So let's move on back to our first car diagram. Okay, so should we also assume that B is coming from a side road, assuming that B is not coming to a stop line? Since you don't see a stop line on B, you have to revert back to the first road rule. And what is the first road rule? It is give the right of way to traffic that is approaching from your right. Okay, now I know it might not make sense to you that you have to give right of way to B while B is turning. Well, since you don't see a stop line in front of car B, it means that there is no main road and there is no side road, and both these two roads are equal. Okay, so which means that on this car diagram you should give the right of way to B. So B goes first, then A goes second, because B is simply approaching from the right of A. So if you are not giving clear indication that this is a side road and this is a main road, then you should properly give the right of way to traffic that is approaching from the right. Here you can see that B is approaching from a side road because there is a stop line, or if there is even a stop sign or a giveaway sign here, then that's how you know that this is a side road and this is a main road. But if there is none of that, like in this case, here you can see that B is neither coming from a stop sign or a stop line or even a giveaway sign. Therefore B maintains the right of way right? So you should give the right of way to car B in this case, so B goes first. Well guys, that's it, right? I hope you've understood this and I hope I've explained this a lot. And if you have any questions regarding this car diagram, I hope they've been solved, or just get in touch with me. The number is right there on the screen. So thank you so much guys for watching. If this content was really helpful, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.